Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix phone number already in use error. If you're trying to create a new account and the error is shown as phone number is already in use, make sure to check the phone number along with the country code. If both of them are correct, try logging into the account that you had previously registered with the phone number by entering your password and resetting your password. If you do not have an account with the phone number and the problem still persists, what you can do is head over to the settings on your device. For now, I'm going to be demonstrating with Facebook, so tap on Facebook, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Facebook, and then try to re-log in, and then try to create your account again. If the problem still persists, completely uninstall the app off of your phone and reinstall it from the Play Store. If this too does not solve the problem is probably on the side of the app developer, in which case you'll have to contact customer support. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.